Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today we are going to start an exciting new video series where we are diving deep into the delightful and diverse world of Korean food vocabulary. Now in Korea, food isn't just a meal. It's a celebration, a way to connect and a journey through centuries of flavors. From elaborate royal dishes found in restaurants to beloved street foods, Korean cuisine offers an extensive array of delicious options. So, we'll kick things off by exploring different vocabulary terms for vegetables and fruits, and then we'll delve into the world of various Korean dishes. So, get ready for a mouth-watering journey. Let's start. First one is the Korean word for carrot, and that is 당근, 당근. Now comes the Korean word for onion, and that is 양파, 양파. Next, let's see the Korean word for cabbage, and that is 양배추, 양배추. Okay, next comes the Korean word for potato, and that is 감자, 감자. Next, let's see how to say garlic in Korean language, and that is 마늘, 마늘. Now let's see the Korean word for cucumber, and that is 오이, 오이. Next comes the Korean word for tomato, and that is tomato, tomato. This one is very easy. Next is the Korean word for spinach, and that is 시금치, 시금치. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for pumpkin, and that is 호박, 호박. Next is the last one, and that is the Korean word for ginger, and that is 생강, 생강. Okay, so today we learned 10 very important Korean food related words. These are basically all terms for vegetables in Korean language, and they are used in the everyday food items in Korean. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.